Hey everyone, welcome to TechNova AI. Today we need to talk about something that's on everyone's mind. Is AI going to take my job? The headlines are everywhere, full of panic and speculation. But what if I told you that most people are asking the wrong question? It's not about whether AI will take jobs. It's about how it will transform them, and more importantly, how you can get ahead of the curve. The numbers are staggering. Some reports claim that by 2026, just a couple of years from now, nearly half of the jobs we know today could be completely different or gone entirely. Replaced not by cheaper labor, but by intelligent systems that can think, write, analyze data, and even make strategic decisions faster and more accurately than ever before. It sounds like the plot of a science fiction movie, but this is the reality we're stepping into. This isn't the first time humanity has faced a massive technological shift. Think about the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced manual labor, and people were terrified. They thought it was the end of work. But it wasn't. It was the birth of new industries, new skills, and a new kind of economy. Then came the Computer Revolution. Suddenly, tasks that took days of paperwork could be done in seconds. Again, the fear was that office workers would become obsolete. But instead, we created roles like data analyst, software developer, and IT support specialist jobs that didn't even exist a generation before. Now, we are at the dawn of the third great revolution, the AI revolution, and this one is different. It's not replacing our muscles or our filing cabinets. It's starting to replicate our thinking. Powerful tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude can now write code, draft legal contracts, create marketing campaigns, and analyze complex datasets in minutes. A task that once required a whole team of human experts can now be handled by a single person armed with the right AI. Globally, we're talking about a potential transformation of over 400 million roles. That's a massive number, and it's natural to feel a sense of uncertainty. But here's the crucial thing to remember. Every revolution in history has started with fear, but it has always ended with opportunity. The question is, will you be swept away by the change, or will you be the one leading it? So let's get real about the jobs that are already starting to fade. It's not speculation, it's happening right now. Look at customer support. How many times have you interacted with a chatbot to solve a problem instead of a person? These AI agents are available 24/7, can handle thousands of queries at once, and are becoming smarter and more conversational every day. Companies are realizing it's more efficient and cost-effective. The classic call center model is on its way out. Then there's the world of content and writing. Entry-level copywriting, content creation for social media, and basic article writing are being rapidly automated. AI tools can generate dozens of variations of ad copy or a blog post in the time it takes a human to brainstorm a single headline. This doesn't mean writers are obsolete, but it does mean the bar has been raised. You can no longer compete on speed or volume. You have to compete on creativity, strategy, and a unique human voice. The same trend is hitting other fields. Translation and transcription services, which were once entirely human-powered, are now dominated by AI that is faster and increasingly accurate. Junior data analyst roles that involved repetitive data cleaning and sorting are also being automated. Why hire someone for a week to clean a spreadsheet when an AI can do it flawlessly in under a minute? Major corporations are making strategic shifts. They are no longer mass hiring for these repetitive, rule-based tasks. Instead, they're investing heavily in automation and retraining their workforce for higher-level skills. The writing is on the wall. If your job consists of predictable, repeatable actions, it is at high risk. But here's the fascinating part. For every job that fades, a new one is beginning to emerge from the shadows. The job market isn't just shrinking. It's evolving. This brings us to the most important part of our discussion. The jobs that AI can't replace. What is it that we humans have that a machine, no matter how intelligent, simply cannot replicate? It's the human spark. It's our creativity, our empathy, our critical thinking, and our ability to connect with one another on a deep emotional level. These are not things you can code into an algorithm. Think about it. I can generate thousands of images in a second, but it takes a human artist to have a vision. To tell a story with a single brushstroke, to create a piece of art that makes you feel something. I can't feel joy, or sorrow, or hope. It can only simulate it based on the data it was trained on. True creativity comes from lived experience, from imagination, from the messy, unpredictable nature of being human. The same goes for roles that require deep empathy. Can an AI truly replace a great teacher who inspires a student to love learning? Can it replace a therapist who helps someone navigate their darkest moments? Can it replace a leader who motivates a team to achieve something incredible together? No. These roles are built on trust, connection, and understanding qualities that are uniquely human. The leaders of the next decade won't be those who fight against AI. They will be the ones who learn to partner with it. They will be the designers who use AI to generate initial concepts so they can focus on refining the final product. They will be the scientists who use AI to analyze massive datasets to find cures for diseases. They will be the entrepreneurs who use AI to automate the mundane parts of running a business so they can focus on innovation and vision. AI can create the brush, it can mix the paint, it can even suggest what to draw, but it still needs you to be the artist. It needs you to hold the brush and paint the masterpiece. Your unique perspective, your values, and your creative vision are the things that AI can never replace. They are your greatest asset in this new era. So how do you prepare for this future? It's not about panicking, it's about being proactive. The first step is to embrace a mindset of lifelong learning. The skills that are valuable today might not be in 5 years. You have to stay curious and be willing to adapt. Start by playing with the AI tools that are out there. Use ChatGPT, Midjourney, or other platforms. Understand their strengths and weaknesses. The more you use them, the less intimidating they become, and the more you'll see how they can be a powerful assistant. Next, focus on developing your uniquely human skills. These are often called soft skills, but in the age of AI, they are the new power skills. Communication, critical thinking, collaboration, emotional intelligence, and creativity. How can you become a better storyteller? How can you get better at solving complex, open-ended problems? How can you lead a team more effectively? These are the skills that will set you apart. Consider upskilling in areas where humans and AI work together. Fields like prompt engineering, the art of crafting the perfect instructions for an AI, are brand new and in high demand. Or roles like AI ethicist or automation manager, which require a deep understanding of both the technology and its human impact. The future isn't just about coding. It's about orchestrating the collaboration between human talent and artificial intelligence. The key is to shift your perspective. Don't see AI as a competitor that's coming to take your job. See it as the most powerful tool you've ever been given. It's a co-pilot that can handle the boring, repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on the work that truly matters, the creative, strategic, and deeply human work that you were meant to do. This transition won't be easy for everyone, and it's important that we navigate it with empathy. But fear is not a strategy. The future of work is not something that happens to you. It's something you create. You've probably heard it 1,000 times. AI is coming for your job. But what if I told you that's only half the story? The truth is, it isn't just taking jobs. It's creating an entirely new world of work. A world where creativity, strategy, and human imagination matter more than ever before. Welcome back to TechNova AI. Today, we're not going to fear the future. We're going to build it. Let's explore how you can turn the AI revolution into your biggest advantage. Right now, as we speak, we are witnessing the birth of a brand new AI economy. This is a digital ecosystem completely powered by algorithms, data, and intelligent automation. In this new world, productivity isn't about how many hours you clock in or how hard you work. It's about how smart your systems are. Think about that for a second. It's a fundamental shift in how we create value. And with this shift comes a tidal wave of new careers. These aren't just minor adjustments to old roles. They are entirely new professions that didn't exist a few years ago. Let's look at some of them. First up, prompt engineers. These are the modern-day whisperers, the people teaching AI how to think creatively, how to reason, and how to generate outputs that are not just accurate, but also nuanced and insightful. They're like translators between human intent and machine logic. Then we have AI workflow designers. These are the architects of the new business world. They take complex processes from marketing campaigns to customer support and build seamless automated systems using a variety of AI tools. They are the ones making businesses run smarter, not harder. We also have AI educators. As these tools become more powerful, there's a massive demand for people who can teach others how to use them effectively. These educators are empowering teams, students, and entire companies to integrate AI into their daily work, unlocking new levels of productivity. And how about virtual AI producers? These are the storytellers of the AI age, creating faceless YouTube channels, like this one, or entire digital media brands using AI for voiceovers, video creation, and script writing. They prove that you don't need a massive studio or crew to create compelling content. Finally, a role that's becoming more critical every day: AI ethics managers. As AI becomes more integrated into our society, we need guardians to ensure it's used responsibly, fairly, and in a way that benefits humanity. These people are the conscience of the AI industry, making sure our technology stays human-friendly. These are not science fiction jobs from a distant future. These are real careers people are getting hired for and building businesses around today. Let's look at some real-world examples of how humans and AI are teaming up to do incredible things. Take small YouTubers. Many are now using tools like Runway ML to generate stunning video clips from simple text prompts, and 11 Labs to create professional quality voiceovers, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. They're creating full-length videos that compete with major studios, all from their laptops. Consider freelancers. Many are now using ChatGPT combined with Notion AI to manage client projects, draft proposals, write copy, and even code. They're able to deliver work faster and at a higher quality than some traditional agencies, giving them a massive competitive edge. And in the design world, it's a game changer. Designers are mixing the incredible image generation power of Midjourney with the user-friendly interface of Canva AI to produce professional brand kits, logos, and social media assets in just a few hours, a process that used to take days or even weeks. These people didn't lose their jobs to AI. They used AI to create new opportunities for themselves. And that's the secret nobody tells you. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who refuse to adapt. The real threat isn't the technology itself. It's ignoring it, so the big question is, how can you prepare? How do you future-proof your career in this rapidly changing landscape? Here's your AI survival blueprint, a simple 4-step plan to get you started. First, master the tools. Don't just hear about them. Use them. Dive into ChatGPT, play with Canva AI's magic features, generate some videos with Runway ML, and create stunning art with Midjourney. Practical experience is your greatest asset. The more fluent you are with these tools, the more valuable you become. Second, build a digital identity. In the AI economy, your online presence is your resume. Your personal brand is your proof of skill. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, a newsletter, or even just a very active social media profile where you share what you're learning and creating with AI. Show, don't just tell. Third, automate smartly. Stop fearing that AI will take over the boring parts of your job. Let it. Identify the repetitive, time-consuming tasks in your workflow and find an AI tool to handle them. This frees up your time and mental energy to focus on what truly matters: strategy, creativity, and high-level problem-solving. And finally, number 4, the most important rule of all: stay relentlessly curious. The AI space is evolving at an incredible speed. The tools that are popular today might be replaced by something better tomorrow. The fastest learners will win the future. Make learning a daily habit. Read newsletters, watch tutorials, and never stop experimenting. Remember the golden rule: AI won't take your job. The person who knows how to use AI will. So what's next? What does the world look like in a few years? By 2026, the line between human and machine work will blur almost completely. We'll have AI coworkers that help us with our tasks, AI tutors that provide personalized education, and maybe even AI assistants in our doctor's offices helping with diagnostics. The nature of collaboration will change forever. But amidst all this technological change, one thing will always remain uniquely human: our purpose. The ability to dream, to imagine a better future, to connect with others on an emotional level, to inspire action. That is our superpower. Technology can't replicate that. AI is the most powerful tool ever created. But it is just that, a tool. You are the artist. You are the strategist. You are the designer. The power is in your hands to decide how this tool will be used to shape our world. So, are you ready for the AI revolution? I hope this video has shown you that it's not something to be afraid of, but something to be excited about. Because the future of work is not coming in 10 or 20 years. It's already here. The opportunities are right in front of us, waiting for those who are bold enough to seize them. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechNova AI. We release weekly videos on AI tools, automation strategies, and everything you need to know about the future of digital innovation. This is Haroon Afzal from TechNova AI reminding you, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Thanks for watching.